Assalamu alaikum. When I was young, I was the oldest kid of my parents, and all the time, my mom was asking me to changing bulb, changing tube lights, or doing anything on the height. I was handling those things, and still I'm the same. I'm doing a lot of. I like to do a lot of hard work around home, and we used to. Now I'm learning to do drilling in the wood and drilling into the things. It's not hard once you learn the basic techniques. So hope you like my today's video. It's just an assembly video. We cut this big shelf and make two tabletops. So yeah, see how it is gonna go on. Take care then and continue the video. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Nowadays we are having good sun. The May was very cold, but June we had good sun, and yesterday was a bit cloudy and bit rainy, but today we again have sun. So during summer, people usually what they do, they renovate their houses, they repaint their rooms, and redecorate the houses because during summer we have very long days. We got sun around I think 3:50 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. and then still I am recording this voiceover and it's 9:30 and we have sun outside. It's like evening time, late evening. So my father-in-law called it lazy evening. Like in UK we have lazy afternoon and lazy evening because the days are very long. So usually during summer everyone do something related to house, like house renovation or house decorating. Things are going on during summer time period. So we got this worktop. Actually this is a worktop and we got it from somewhere, and we were thinking that we can use it as a tabletop. So what we were planning to go do for this tabletop, we went to IKEA last week and we bring four legs from IKEA. The good thing in IKEA is that you got several spare parts which you can use according to your like your need at that time. Like they separately sell every little bit thing which you can bring at home, and then you can make your own design with that. So these legs are the cheapest one. They are for 2.50 pound each. We previously used them in black color. So we bought some tabletops, and then we bought these legs separately, and we just put it on the tabletop shelves, and they become very good tables. And we are using it from last 2 years. So we were very happy with the results. So that's why we went to IKEA last week to bought these legs. The black color was out of stock, so we found out this one in white color and we pick it up because IKEA is a bit far away and it's hard to go again and again there to pick up just for four legs. Another thing which I like about IKEA is the directions. They properly guide you how you're gonna do the work. Like when we bought our kids double bed from IKEA, I was alone that day. My husband was busy in office, and I put up the whole double bed. And really, it is really very easy to manage the furniture or build the furniture up. So here is the finished product, two tabletops which are ready to be a table. And now the study room is all set for the summer. Hope you liked my video. You take care. See you in some other video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.